welcome back to another video on this channel. If you're new here, my name is Abhishek. I'm a graduate engineer working in UK, and in this channel I explore different ideas, concepts and principles, and sometimes new tools and tech that I've recently invested in to live a more productive and creative lifestyle. So right off the bat, I'm currently shooting this segment with my Nikon D3100, which I invested in back when I was 18-year-old and took with me when I went into university. So I'll have a link available that'll highlight 3 valuable items that I took with me when I was a kid, when I was a university student. And in this video, I'll be going through my unboxing of the EOS M50 mirrorless camera, which is something I invested in to level up my production level, especially making these videos. And during this segment of this video, during the duration of this video, I'll be switching over to the EOS M50 to give you guys a clear indication in the quality, and hopefully I'll be proceeding to shoot a lot more videos and take pictures with the EOS M50 from now on. So stay tuned and let's get into this. So yeah, let's do this unboxing. So I've got the EOS M50. I didn't go for the standard kit lens, so the kit lens I've got is the EF M18 150 image stabilization lens. Right. So you got your standard manual and warranty stuff. You've got your Canon strap. It seems quite standard. There's nothing special about it. And then you have your battery charger right there, which I pre-opened because I wanted to charge the battery just so I can use the Canon M50 to show you guys a demonstration. We have the power plug. I'm gonna move this to a side. You have the power plug, which is the UK standard with the 8x figure. Let's get everything out, and then let's just do a complete showdown. So I think that's the body, and the body lens is here. Right, so I'm going to place that down here. Okay, so the camera body now, it feels a lot much lighter and compact compared to my DSLR. You know, it's small enough, which gives you an advantage, and fits in the palm of my hand. It's got a nice grip, and it also has a crop sensor of 1.6. In other words, you know, when you put a lens into it, the focal length will be times by 1.6. So yeah, let's put this bad boy in. Right, there you go. That's the beast. It's got the HDMI and a USB port right there, and it's got the battery import right there with the SD card. You got your tripod input right here, and you have the external mic input down here. It's something that I didn't have. Well, I did have with the DSLR, but we would never accept an external microphone. One of the cool things about this mirrorless camera is the flip out screen, something that was missing from my DSLR. You know, it helps me sort of look what I'm doing, if I can autofocus, and it gives me that great advantage. So you have your top mount for your audio. You know, if you have a Rode microphone, you can always use that. And yeah, so that's the outline of an M50 EOS unboxing. So this is the Canon M50. What do you guys think? Is that much better? Like, honestly, I mean, let's just flip the screen and see it for myself. Okay, dude, that is so much cooler. Oh my god. It's so freaking awesome. I mean, it's a lot much more clear. I can see the exposure of light is such great. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of like fixing myself. Never mind. But yeah, it looks awesome. Like I can see myself. It's great. The autofocus has got just my face on it. I think one of the bad things about shooting with the Canon M50 specifically at 4K, it doesn't have dual autofocus. But then again, I'm kind of like a beginner, so I'm sort of just letting this trade. So it's gonna be great shooting with this from now on. I'll probably need to get an external adjacent light from here, so just so I can just lighten this face up, but I can sort of fix it with the lighting grading when I edit this video. But yeah, I mean the clarity is much better, I feel. So yeah, I'll be shooting photographs with this beast and seeing how what the responses I get. You know what? How about we check out audio difference? I've got my Rode microphone. Let's do that. Yep. And switching to an external audio in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Let me know any difference. Can you guys? I've got the external audio on. I've got my external microphone on. If you notice any difference in the audio, just give me a shout in the comments below. It'd be awesome to know and see what we got. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm stoked about using this camera for potential project work. If you guys currently use a particular type of camera, what do you guys use? You know, write down in the comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking my video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.